Hello guys and welcome. Let's install Windows 11 for free. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. So first we need to check whether our PC is capable of running Windows 11. To do this, we need to check whether our PC meets the minimum requirements to run Windows 11. These minimum requirements are stipulated by Microsoft. So if you go to this website here, I'm going to put a link below. You can see we have minimum system requirements, and my PC is already running Windows 11, as you can see. But then we'll go into this minimum requirements by just clicking system requirements, and then that will take us to this page right here. And so in this page, these are the minimum system requirement for installing Windows 11 on your PC. So for some reason, if your device does not meet this requirement, that means you won't be able to install Windows 11 on your PC or on your device, and you might consider purchasing a new one. There are two ways in which you can determine whether your PC is compatible with Windows 11. So the first way is going through this system requirements. So you see the processor has to be 1 GHz and the RAM has to be 4 GB. The storage is 64 GB. And the system firmware is that one as well. The TPM. Graphic cards has to be compatible with DirectX 12 or later. The display has to be high definition, 720p display that is greater than 9 inches. Diagonally 8 bits per color channel. As I said, the system requirements route is one way, but I believe the other way, which is probably the better way, is going through the PC Health Check app. So all you need to do is download the PC Health Check app. So once you have the PC Health Check app application downloaded into your computer, you can click on to search and then search for PC Health Check app, and it brings up this app over here. You just open it, and all you need to do from here is to just click check now. Once you click check now, this will be able to tell you whether your PC meets the minimum requirements that we saw earlier. As you can see on the screen, it says this PC meets Windows 11 requirements, but I'm already running Windows 11. Once we have determined that our PC is capable of running Windows 11, then we can go now into installation. But before we do the installation, it's always a good idea to back up your PC to an external drive, or you can use OneDrive, which is the cloud storage solution for Microsoft. So this is how you do the installation or upgrading to Windows 11. You right click on Start menu and go to Settings, and then you want to look for Update and Security, and then after Update and Security you want to click on Windows Updates, and then it will take you to this page. So from here you can click check for updates, and if Windows 11 is available, then you'll be able to install it from here. After doing the PC Health Check and you determine that your PC meets the minimum requirements, but you don't see any download button or install option, then you want to go to this link. I'm gonna put the link on the description below, and when you get to this link, we have 3 options for installing or creating Windows 11 media. So what you want to do is you want to check out each one to determine the best option for you. The first option is Windows 11 Installation Assistant, and this is probably one of the easiest, one of the preferred ones. So this is the best option for installing Windows 11 on the device you are currently using. So all you'll have to do is just to click download, and if you just wanted to see a little bit of more information, you can click the plus sign and you can go into this, and this will give you more details about the installation, and it will even show you how to install. So like it says, select run, and it will walk you through the installation process. And then the second option is create Windows 11 installation media. So this is mainly if you wanted to perform a reinstall or clean install of Windows 11 on a new PC or a used PC. So use this option to download the media creation tool to make a bootable USB or a DVD. So if you wanted to do the installation through a USB, then you can use this option. And you can also go in as well, and it will give you some more information regarding the step. The last option is going through the ISO. This option is used for users that want to create a bootable installation media, either through USB drive or DVD, or create a virtual machine, which is basically a .iso file. And then through that file, you'll be able to install Windows 11 that way. So use this option if your software does not support Windows 11 or is not capable of running Windows 11. That's when you use this last option. And you can go into the plus sign also, and then just read a little bit about it. It will tell you more. It will give you more information regarding the system requirements that we talked about earlier. I hope this video was helpful. Just in case you ran into any problems while doing the installation, please you can leave a comment below and let me know what the problem is. I'll try and help. And also please don't forget to subscribe. If you're still interested in knowing more about Windows 11, please check the video above or the playlist above.